little explorers! Today we're going on a big adventure. Get ready to learn dinosaur names from A to Z. Let's go!
A is for Ankylosaurus.
B is for Brachiosaurus. C is for Carnotaurus.
D is for Deinonychus.
E is for Edmontosaurus. F is for Fucliraptor. G is for Giganotosaurus.
H is for Hadrosaurus.
I is for Iguanodon.
J is for Jaxartosaurus.
K is for Kentrosaurus.
L is for Lambeosaurus.
M is for Maiasaura. N is for Notosaurus. O is for Oviraptor. P is for Parasaurolophus.
Q is for Quetzalcoatlus.
R is for Rabachisaurus. S is for Spinosaurus.
T is for Tyrannosaurus Rex.
U is for Utahraptor.
V is for Velociraptor. W is for Werhosaurus. X is for Zuniceratops. Y is for Yutyrannus.
Z is for Zuniceratops.
Wow! So many amazing dinosaurs! Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more fun learning!